What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can withdraw dogs from your Telegram wallet to OKX. Now to do this, the process is really simple. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Open up Telegram wallet, and once you guys are here, we will go and select dogs from here. Now once we are here, we will go and click on send. Now here we will go and select external wallet. Now we'll have to get the address from OKX. To do this, we'll simply go to OKX app. Now we will go and open up OKX app, and we'll go here and tap on receive. Wait a few seconds here. Once it is loaded, we'll go here and search dogs. Select dogs here and we'll get the address. Just copy this address from here. Copied. Now back to here, we'll just go and paste the address as you guys can see here, and we'll select network tone and we'll hit continue. Enter the memo code if required and you will be good to go. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.